children. I am Mrs. Chioma, and our subject today is thematic activity, and our topic is food. Today we are going to be looking at energy giving food and body building food. The lesson objectives: by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain energy giving food and you should be able to explain body building food. But before we go into the main lesson of the day, what is food? We did that in our last class. What is food? Who can remind us? Food is anything we eat for nourishment and growth of the body. Food is anything we eat for nourishment and growth of the body. Now let's look at what is energy giving food. Energy giving food are those food that gives us energy or strength to do work. Energy giving food are those food that gives us energy or strength to do work. Everybody repeat after me. Energy giving food are those food that gives us energy or strength to do work. So any food that gives us energy or strength is energy giving food. Examples of energy giving food are yam, rice, garri, cocoyam, cassava, etc. Examples of energy giving food are yam, rice, garri, cocoyam, cassava, etc. Examples of energy giving food are rice. Can you see the rice? Rice is an energy giving food. Cassava. Can you see the cassava? Cassava is an energy giving food. Then noodles. Your noodles is also energy giving food. So these are examples of energy giving food. Energy giving food are called what? Carbohydrates. Energy giving food are called what? Carbohydrates. Energy giving food are called what? Carbohydrates. Now let's look at bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food are those food that makes us to grow well. Bodybuilding food are those food that makes us to grow. Those food that makes us to grow are called what? Bodybuilding food. Those food that makes us to grow are called what? Bodybuilding food. Examples of bodybuilding food are egg, fish, beans, milk, fish, etc. Examples of bodybuilding food are beans. Can you see your beans? Beans is an energy giving food. Egg is an energy giving bodybuilding food. Beans is a bodybuilding food. Beans is a bodybuilding food. Egg is a bodybuilding food. Egg is a bodybuilding food. Fish. Your fish is a bodybuilding food. This is a smoked fish. Fish is a bodybuilding food. Milk. This is Dano milk. Milk is a bodybuilding food. So these are examples of bodybuilding food. Your fish, your milk, your egg, your beans, all these are examples of bodybuilding food. And bodybuilding food are called what? Protein. Everybody say it. Protein. Proteins are bodybuilding food. They make us to do what? To grow. They make us to do what? To grow. So when you eat a lot of fish, a lot of milk, a lot of egg, you will do what? You will grow big. Are you getting me? But when you eat energy giving food, you eat yam, you eat garri, you eat cassava, you have what? Energy. You will be strong. You have strength to do what? To do work. You have energy to do what? To do work. And don't forget I said that energy giving food are called what? Carbohydrates. While bodybuilding food are called what? Protein. And energy giving food gives us energy to do work. While bodybuilding food gives us what? Makes us to do what? To grow. That will be the end of our class today. Don't forget to go to Class Dojo for your assignment.